Alright, you guys. I'm going to attempt something here I ain't done. Well, last time I did, I puked my guts up, but that was a few years ago when I was a kid. I would really love to be able to eat sardines. So, I'm going to try it with some Vienna hot sauce. Got some crackers. Alright, I'm going to hand the camera off over here. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Alright. That looks so unappetizing. Go. Alright. We got the puke bucket ready. So I should try it with a cracker first. Oh, let me dip my finger in here. Oh! That hurt. That already tastes fucking awful. I'm already committed to this video, you guys. I'm gonna fucking try it. I'm gonna fucking throw up. Oh. Alright.